Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sifra, and if you're returning, welcome back. In today's video, I'm doing a review on a new brand named 4C Only. They make products catered to 4C hair ladies. And I was very excited when they reached out to me to try out their products because finally, products for 4C hair. So my hair is giving me much Sahara Desert, okay? She is dry. Now I'm preparing it to do a hot oil treatment, a pre-poo, and make sure to watch till the end to see what my experience is with these products. So a quick unboxing. When you see the box, it says 4C Only, too kinky, too thick, and too juicy. The box I received came with a pouch with a bonnet in it and a cute hair clip that says 4C Only. And in the box you receive 4 jars of hair products. You receive a shampoo, a deep conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, and a styling cream. And this box retails for $79.99. And make sure to check out the link in my bio to get you straight to the website. So I'm done pre-pooing, and as you can see, all the oil is dripping down my neck, something I hate very much. I let it sit on my hair for 15 minutes, and now I'm going in with the Too Clean shampoo. This shampoo smells really good, and what stood out to me is that this shampoo comes in a jar. So if you're clumsy like me, you better put it down somewhere, girl. So the direction says to start with soaking wet hair, then you section your hair in twists, apply shampoo directly to your scalp, massage the shampoo to roughly into your scalp, and then work the shampoo down the hair shaft. Rinse out with warm water. I always wash my hair with warm water, and they say to repeat 1 time only if necessary. You can really see how quickly it sets up. A little goes a long way with all of these products, and I'm very heavy-handed, so I quickly needed to adapt. So now moving on to the Too Thick Deep Conditioner, and guys, she is really thick. Look at the texture. This product also smells amazing. All of the products smell amazing. They say to work it in with your fingers and then go in with your detangling tool. And honestly, I didn't have to go in with my detangler because look how easy the detangler goes through. It melts into your hair, guys. I really love this deep conditioner. And don't mind my facial expressions, you guys. That's how I really express the excitement on how these products works for me. So the direction says to leave it on your hair for 15 minutes with heat and to not leave it for more than an hour on your hair. And then you rinse it out with warm water. So now onto the Too Soft leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is not too heavy. That's what I like about it. And I apply my leave-in conditioner in the shower so that it absorbs quickly from all the steam. And they say to remember to put some extra respect on your ends. So make sure to put some on your ends. So I'm back. I'm out of the shower. I feel so refreshed now. But now we're going over to styling my hair, and we're going to style my hair with the Too Slick styling cream. So thick. Let's feel the texture. Smells good. Smells like candy. So I already applied leave-in to my hair. So welcome back. It has been a day. I let my hair dry for a day, I guess 24 hours, and I'm back. This is what my hair looks like. I hope it's dry. Before we begin, I'm going to apply some oil on my hands. So we're not going to talk long, we're going to get right into it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. arresting.
So guys, that was it for this video. Look at the results. Wow, I am amazed. You can see and feel in your hair that these women put in a lot of effort into making these products, and the results that these products give is chef kiss amazing. They did so well on these products especially made for 4C hair. Make sure to go buy you these products. Make sure to go on their website. These products were especially made for your 4C hair. They were made with love. So much effort went into these products, and you can see it in the result it gave me. Yeah, we've come to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that down below. Click that big red subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below what you think of my beautiful hairstyle. And see you in my next video. Bye guys.